Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Sakil. In this video, I am gonna share the part 2 of a letter to God, class 10. The MCQ series was previously started and the second part is here now. Stay tuned for watching the video. How much money did Lenzo ask for? Lenzo asked for 100 pesos. What was the immediate reaction of the postman on seeing the letter? Laughed wholeheartedly. The postmaster was fat, amiable man. What is the meaning of amiable? Friendly. On seeing the letter, the postmaster was moved by Lenzo's unwavering faith. Why did postmaster decide to reply to Lenzo's letter? To preserve Lenzo's faith in God. What else did the reply demanded apart from goodwill, ink and paper? Money. How much money was the postmaster able to arrange? 70 pesos. What did the postmaster feel on experiencing Lenzo receive the letter? All the above. Contented, proud, overwhelmed. Why was Lenzo not surprised on seeing the money in the envelope? He had unwavering faith in God. How did he feel when he counted the money? Angry. Thank you for watching the video and part 3 will be given soon. Stay tuned. Subscribe my YouTube channel.